Well, sometimes when you crash your drone, you gotta improvise. So, with that being said, I introduce you to the DJI Osmo drone. I really hope this works. Hey guys, what's going on? Chris Reacts here, Aquascapes. So we got our biofalls right here, and we're taking up this whole area. This is kind of just a dead spot right next to the thing. So they're gonna have a nice drop coming off of this. We got our two framer boulders right here that we've already kind of preset just to see what I had as far as liner goes. So we're actually putting in our biofalls lip right here. And as you guys can see, we went ahead and we cut this lip. Normally there's a lip that comes in right here. We actually went ahead and cut that. Our barber surgeon cut that for us. A lot of other CACs like to just take that and turn it around. I don't really like that because you've got this 3-inch lip shooting towards the back where we want all that water to come out. It's actually holding water back. Water's actually having to come up, go back out and around, and we've got a nice seal right there. I don't want to force water into that seal because it could be a potential failure point and you wouldn't even know it until you started getting calls from the client. So I just go ahead and I cut that. The reason why we cut that is because it makes this a lot easier to conceal. Hiding this biofalls is going to become a lot easier by doing that, and it's just all around easier just to put that faceplate up nice and flat, and then I can do whatever I want in this area. So that being said, we're gonna get to work. See you guys later. All right, well, yeah, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon here, 4 o'clock my time, because they're on Central Time and we're on Eastern Time, but we got as much of this done as humanly possible. We got our pond rinsed down and cleaned out as much as we could, and yep, thunderstorms are coming in. We kind of knew it was happening. We were just kind of hoping to get as far as humanly possible before they came in. They're coming in a little bit sooner than we thought they were going to be. I thought I had at least another hour here, which I would have been able to finish that all off within another hour. So, but good news is I do need to go to the rock yard. I got to find the Aqua Land Special piece of flagstone to break and cut and separate to get that Aqua Land Special looks and stuff. But so we'll do that tomorrow. We got everything leveled off. We got the biofall set. We've got the spillway for the biofall set. We can start backfilling behind the biofalls, getting all of that done. But unfortunately, we got rain coming again. So we're gonna go ahead and stop and stay ahead of this thing and try not to make a mess. And we'll be back first thing tomorrow to finish her up. See ya.
The next day.
Hey guys, what's going on? Christopher Reacts here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Well, it is the first part of the morning. We just got here. We were here really late last night. I had too many shadows and stuff like that. I couldn't get you guys a good shot of this water feature running, but we got her running. Today we're going to be here for probably half a day, just kind of finishing up, doing the tucking and the finishing and doing a couple other things, but this thing is running, and let me show you guys what we did. Shabam, right there. There we go. So We got our biofall, our 2500 biofalls. Once again, we do have finishing to do, guys, so this whole thing's gonna be hidden. Don't give me any grief. But we got this thing up, we got this thing running. We got our 2 pieces of flag right here, giving them that Aqua Land Special that you guys see in their retail store right there. That was a big ask from them for us to do. We got a nice widening out right here. We got a stream split right there, and then going right down into their pond. You guys have seen enough of the pond. We've had that done for a while now. But here's our stream right here, up and running. Got our biofalls over here in the corner. We're gonna get that hidden. We're gonna get all of this backfilled and tucked and finished and all that kind of stuff. And then we've got our second waterfall over here that we got designed. Just a little thing, you know, we got our nice long, lower profile, not very many big drops in this stream, so I wanted to go complete opposite on this one. I wanted as big and I wanted as much crash as humanly possible down into our pond. We got a decent sized drop right there. Skimmer box over here. We're running 2 to 5,000 SLD pumps out of this. Obviously you guys can see our plumbing, like that's literally where we ended yesterday, was with that connection. I wanted to get this thing up and running for them. Excuse me, let me go ahead and flip it around. That is literally where we stopped last night, was connecting that plumbing together, hooking into the back of our spillway right there. I wanted to get that done so that way this thing was running for them last night. Like I said, it was getting really, really late. I had a lot of sun and shadows on the waterfalls. I really couldn't get a good picture and video of it last night, and to be honest with you, I was dog tired yesterday. So we went from having none of the upper waterfall over here done. Like, we did not have the flagstone in yesterday morning. I picked that up yesterday morning. We got all of this foamed and bibbed and all of that stuff. We didn't have any of that done. Literally built this entire waterfall in an hour. As you guys can see in previous videos, all I had were these 2 stones kind of sitting here, and we went through and we did all of this. We got all of this done. All of this was flat. There was no dirt here, no berm. We got bermed, built, and running in one hour. That's how quick this can go, with the right people in place, doing the right things, getting it done right the first time. So these builds can go very fast. This one, on the other hand, over here, that one over there, that one took a little bit longer because, you know, we were trying to do the Aqua Land Special and things like that. Had to make it right. Had to make our 2 pieces of flagstone completely level, not only in their own right, but together. They needed to be level. We needed to take what I call the wiggle and the waggle out of it. Anytime you step on a flagstone, if you feel it kind of moving, that's unacceptable. The hardscaper in me will not accept that. So we spent a lot of time over here yesterday doing that flagstone, getting it just right. So today is going to be nothing but finishing. You guys can see we got a lot of edges to finish. We got some berm work to do. I'm going to have to do kind of a boulder shelf wall, kind of, because I still want to be able to walk back behind this. You can't right now. We just brought in dirt as we just brought it in, built it up, got it built. That's kind of where we were at last night. So, but she is up, she is running. We're gonna go ahead and drain this because we let this run all night to kind of wash all of our rocks down that we had to add into the stream. And all of the dirt has gotten into the pond, as you guys can see how cloudy it is. So we're gonna get this thing emptied. I got a couple more lights that were left over from the rest of the stream build to put into position and those kinds of things. So yeah, gonna be here for about half a day. We're gonna get those things done. We're gonna get done quick because I kind of like to get home before midnight tonight. So I'll catch you guys later.